YouTube, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lay. If you check out in the beginning of the video, my nails were completely ratchet, so like during this video I kind of like popped them off halfway through just so, you know, we're getting them done, so it's okay. Yes, so today's video is going to be on this look right here, which is this really cute and simple look. I used a total of 3 brushes and 3 colors, and this is what I got. Lashes are completely optional and glitter is completely optional, but you know, I wanted to put a little bit of a twist on it, so I did add glitter today. So this is the look that I came up with. I hope you all enjoy this look. If you are new to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and then hit the notification bell so that you can see all of my videos, girl. Come on, yes. And let's just get right into the tutorial. Okay, so your girl got a whole new mic, so let's see how this goes. So we're using the Lorac Los Angeles Pro, and I'm going to start by going in with this first color, which is like a peachy orange. It is called Hot Sauce. So this is called Hot Sauce, and I'm just going to be placing this all in the crease area with a fluffy brush, and I'm going to be doing this very messily, very, you know, not too in one spot. I'm just really trying to get that color built up in the crease area. Now you guys know when I'm doing a more bold look, I like to start off with the darker colors, but since this is going to be a very soft look, we're starting off with soft colors. So that's how we do that. Just want to make sure you're doing back and forth motions, windshield wiper motions. Keep it slow and steady and get it where it needs to go. Okay, so moving on to the next color. This is the star of the show, probably my favorite color. It's the lavender color, and it's called Lavender. And we're going to go ahead and pat that all on the eyelid. You just want to make sure that you get a nice coat of that. I'm not going to cut the crease because I do want it to transition into the hot sauce color. Now, even though they are 2 separate colors, they do transition well together if you do it right. So you don't want to make I don't know what's wrong with me. You don't want to pack on too much of the color. As you can see, I have a nice layer of that lavender shade, and then I'm going to take that same fluffy brush and I'm going to blend out the edges so that it has a small gradient effect. I don't want it to be too intense because I am trying to create a soft look. And then that's pretty much it with the 2 colors. Now if you want to bump it up a notch, you can take the NYX mixing medium, and the glitter that I use is off of Amazon. I actually get cosmetic glitter off of Amazon. You can use it for your nails and your eyes. I might link it down below, but I don't want to get, you know, someone go get it and then be like, oh my god, I cut my eye. So just know I got it off of Amazon, cosmetic glitters. You can look it up. They send you like a bunch of colors. So this is like a really nice light pink. I am a pink girl. Like, if you cannot tell, I absolutely love pink. So that's what I'm going to do with that. I'm kind of like cutting the crease with the glitter, but I don't want to go all the way. So I just kind of stay in the, I guess you want to say the first inner third, like 1/3 of the eyelid, because it does take up a lot of the spots, but I don't bring it all the way out. So now I'm using a pencil brush, and I'm going to go in with this really pretty white that kind of has like a gold shift to it, and this is called Gluten Free. The name of this palette, I believe, yes, is Beauties Who Brunch, and that's the name of the palette. So like all of it's like brunch names. And then for lashes, I added the Ellie by the AOA Studio from Shop Missy. These lashes are so pretty. So to prime, I'm using the NYX oil primer. It's supposed to be a dupe for the Smashbox one. I've never used the Smashbox one, but yeah. So for my face, I'm using the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation. Now, when I did this, I'm going to have all of my shade references down in the description box. This is a full coverage foundation, okay? Like when I say full coverage, it is 100% full coverage. if you're trying to do more of like a subtle look, I wouldn't use this foundation, but as you can see, this foundation is like a mask, so it does cover up everything. Any imperfection you have, this bad boy will cover it. For concealer, I use the Too Faced Born This Way concealer and the Makeup Forever HD concealer. The Makeup Forever is to highlight and the Too Faced is to conceal. I really like this concealer for days where I'm really not wearing a lot of makeup. I was contemplating on whether or not I should make a video about that. If you would be interested in that, please leave it down in the description box that you would be interested, or give a thumbs up to this video. So we're going to blend that out using my Juno Beauty Sponge, which is filthy and it's disgusting, and that's probably why I'm breaking out. Then I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Pro. This is the Cocoa shade, and I use this to cream contour. I do like to cream contour. If I'm not going to use powder, I can actually get away with just using cream and then like a translucent powder if I really want it to be soft and subtle. So here I'm just blending out all of the edges. I did contour my nose. I might have a separate video for that, but I haven't decided whether or not I was going to do that. So I went ahead and contoured my nose and then blended out that LA Girl concealer, because that's what it is, a brown concealer. I'm going to blend out the edges and, you know, get this face nice and snatched, honey. This is a good look for like if you're going on a date. So now I'm using the Huda Beauty powder, the Easy Bake powder. I do love this powder oh so much. And then to bronze up my face, I'm going to use the Makeup Forever Pro Bronze Fusion. I believe that's what it's called. And this is like the second to the darkest shade. I believe it's 031. Of course, like I said, I will have all of the names for everything down in the description box. So I'm going to go ahead and, you know, blend that in. Give me a nice flush of warmth, and it just helps bring the face together. And then I'm going to get rid of that baking powder and go in with my blush. For blush, I'm using the shade, I believe it's MUA. Yeah, it's that really pretty light pink, and I'm just dusting that very lightly, kind of look like I'm slapping my face on my cheeks. So now I'm going to spritz my face using the Mario Badescu Lavender and Chamomile. It all matches, like lavender spray, lavender eyes. And then I'm going in with highlight. This is the Amrezy and Anastasia collaboration, and I'm going to place that on the high points of my cheeks. I didn't used to think that this highlight worked for my skin tone, but I do think it looks really nice with like softer looks. I don't know. I could be wrong. Like, this is one of those highlights that I had to use a couple of times. And I never ever do this. I never put highlight on my brow bone, but I did today. So yeah, what y'all think? So now I'm going in with this lavender shade. This is a Marc Jacobs Glide. You guys know, like, I really don't even have to say I love these eyeliners. The name of this eyeliner will be down in the description box. And then I'm taking lavender and I'm just setting it. And then I have to make sure I put mascara because I didn't use a dark color on my lower lash line, and this just really helps like pull everything together. Like the lower lashes, we completely neglect it all the time. So for lips, I'm going in with this, I believe this is Chestnut by MAC, and then this is one of the Kim K liquid, it's like a lip gloss lipstick, like a real pigmented lipstick. I believe it's Kiki, but I will have it in the description box. And then that pretty much completes the look. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and until next time, my beautiful people, stay blessed.